Nobody knows how to launch meme coins the right way, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can make insane profits doing this. I already have what I dreamed of, so you can just copy my exact method, guys. And this method will work for at least another month, so profit from it while you can. If I made almost 400k with this method, you can too. So first out, with this method you need to launch your meme coin on the Radium exchange, and I will show you live on screen how people are going to buy our random meme coin with this method. The majority of the people is launching on the Pump.Fun exchange, guys, and it's not worth it at all. As you can see, there are so many meme coins being launched on Pump.Fun and the market is completely oversaturated. As you can see, every second there is a meme coin being launched, so how are you going to stand out among those meme coins? Now, if we take a look at the Radium exchange, we can see that this is the key to success, guys. I mean, there is way less competition. In the last 15 minutes, only 8 meme coins have been launched, while on Pump.Fun, this would have been like over 100 already. So buyers are way more likely to see your coin and buy it, right? And as you can see, all coins here reach sick numbers. But the thing is that if you want to launch on Radium, you need to know how to code. Like when I started out, I found out about launchtool.io and they allow you to launch your coin on Radium without doing any coding, guys. So that's just crazy because now we have access to this complete market, while this is normally only available to people who know how to code. And because of that, buyers will buy your coin because they think that there is a developers team behind the coin. So let's just launch a meme coin together and I will show you live on screen how ridiculously easy this method is if you know how to do it. So to start out, get yourself a design on Canva from 128 by 128 pixels, find yourself a funny image about animals and save it to your computer. I found this image about a mole with a safety helmet and we are just going to name this SAFEMOLE. So now you have to go to launchtool.io and we're going to connect our wallet over here, your Phantom wallet, and we're going to give it a name, and the name will be SAFEMOLE and the symbol will be SAFEMOLE as well. Now just give it a funny description. This mole is 100% safe and we're going to upload our logo over here. Okay, click on next. And those are the token economics, but just keep them as they come, guys, because you don't have to change these settings. Click on next. Here we see the creator information and just switch it off, guys. I mean, it's not necessary at all. Save yourself the 0.1 sol and click on skip. Now here we see the social media links and this is not necessary at all, guys. I mean, you've seen before how easy it is for buyers to spot our coin. So we're just going to skip this. Now this is an important option, guys. Revoke authorities. What does this do exactly? Revoke freeze, for example, it allows you to freeze token accounts of holders. And there is not a single buyer out there who likes it whenever you disable those options, right? Because if you disable this, they will not have trust in your project. So whenever you want to have a lot of investors, a lot of buyers, just keep the settings as they are. And it's the same story for the other two options, just keep the settings as they are. Now just click on launch my token and there we go, we have to wait for a moment. Now you will see your wallet pop up over here, just click on confirm, just confirm the transaction. We have to wait again for a little bit. And there we go, guys, our token has been created. So here you can copy your token address here, so just copy it, so we already have it copied. And whenever you go to the last option, view on SolScan, you can see that our meme coin SAFEMOLE has been launched successfully and it's live on the Solana network. So next thing you have to do is create a liquidity pool. So you just go back to launch tool, click on the second option and it will lead us to Radium. Now over here you can see the initial liquidity. We see the base token over here. So just click it, go back to launch tool, copy your token address and now we want to paste our token address over here so we can add our token to the pool. Just fill in your symbol and your name as well. Click on add user token, click on your meme coin and there it is, right? Now we want to add a supply, which I recommend to be 900 million. Now the quote token over here should be Solana, guys. Just click on Solana and you can put all your Solana in the liquidity pool because you will not lose this. Because you are the first buyer of your meme coin. Just lower it a bit, like 0.2, because that's the creation fee of creating the pool on Radium. And now you go to fee tier and you put it on 2%, guys. And by the way, it's not necessary to put 2 Solana in the liquidity pool. You can also do like 0.5 or even less. Now just click initialize liquidity pool. And over here our wallet will pop up again. We just click on confirm over here. Now this will take a second and you will see that the pool has been created successfully, guys. Now the next thing, we want to go to Photon and we will see that our meme coin has been created successfully, right? So we go to Photon over here and we filter for Radium, and as you can see over here, our meme coin is live on Radium. And this is the moment where buyers will come in, guys. So now we want to copy our token address over here and we go to dexscreener.com because we want to see the chart of our coin, right? So whenever you are on Dex Screener, you just click on any random meme coin over here, and then we want to replace this token address with our token address, right? So just replace it, press enter, and this will load the chart of your meme coin. So here we are, this is the chart of SAFEMOLE, and now the buyers will come in, guys. As a matter of fact, we already have some buyers. Some might be bots and some might be real persons. As you can see, those amounts are very small. But whenever we scroll to the downside of the order book over here, so let me just scroll to the downside over here, we see that we already have some small buyers. But I will show you guys whenever we have a bigger buyer. And boom, one big green candle, as you guys can see. This is one big buy. It's, how many is it? $264 with almost 2 Solana. And that's a great start, guys. And we're just going to zoom out the chart a little bit. And this is just how this method works, guys. It's crazy. People are thinking that you are a sick developer or something like this. And buyers are coming in. And as usual, we are having some bots that are buying, and boom, there we go, another buy, guys. 10 seconds ago, $170 and 1.2 Solana, almost 1.3 Solana, and some other small buyers which seem to be bots as well, but every buy is welcome. We have a nice order book already and we're just going to aim for more. And the sick part, like I told earlier in my other videos, you can just do this over and over again. Guys, look at this, $260, almost 2 Solana again. That's another great buy. So what I was about to tell you, you can just do this method over and over again because there's no limit, right? There is no need for any marketing. Whenever you launch your coin, take your profit, you just launch the next one, and it's easy as that, guys. Now we have one sick last buy over here, and I think this will be the last buyer because we are going to take out the liquidity of this thing and we are just going to look at this. Another buy even a few seconds later, $67. But yeah, what I was about to tell you, we are going to take the liquidity out of this thing and we are going to put all the profit in our pocket. So this is the exact method that the big guys are using, and maybe they do it with marketing, but as you can see, even without marketing, which is just way faster and way more efficient for me, and you just do this over and over again, like there is no limit, guys. So to take out the liquidity, you just go to Radium over here, and you will see a minus button over here. Just click it and then slide this thing all the way up to the right to 100%, and you just click on remove liquidity over here, guys. And your wallet will pop up. Just click on confirm, and now we have to wait for a little bit, and as you can see, it has been confirmed. Remove liquidity confirmed, guys. So next thing you do, you are going to check out the profit that you just made. Click on your Phantom wallet over here. This is my favorite moment, and boom, $1,300, guys. Well, we started with like 200, and like I said, you can even start with way less money. Just this method is crazy. I keep saying it. It keeps on working. And take advantage of it while it lasts, guys, because those methods, they will not last forever.